guys, how it's going? It's Sudha here. Today in this video I want to show you how to swap two variables without using third variable. So guys, here let's start. First open dev C++. I have already typed the main syntax of the program. Just enter into the main function and here declare two variables int x and y. And then cout to display a message on the screen. Please enter value of x is equal to, and then terminate this and use cin for input of x, and then again cout. Please enter value of y is equal to, and then terminate this cin again and using second variable here. And here this one is code to swapping variable value. If x is equal to x plus y, then terminate this, and again y is equal to x minus y, terminate this, and x is equal to x minus y, terminate this again. And this one is actually code to swapping variables values, and here display them after swapping x is equal to, and then here use x variable and enter, terminate this, and cout again to display the value after swapping y is equal to, and then terminate this and use your second variable and terminate this. Now save this program and execute, compile and run. So guys, here get the output. Please enter your value of x. Here we will enter 20, and then please enter value of y, that is 30. So enter. You see that after swapping x become 30, x hold 30 value and y hold 20 value. Now understand the working of this program. First of all, control move into the main function and declare two variable x and y, and this one code is basically used for input two variables x and y. So if user enter x is equal to 20 and then y is equal to 30, so control move into the next statement, and here it will see x plus y. So guys, here x is equal to 20 plus 30 here, and then control move to the next statement and read y is equal to x minus y. So guys, here actually x hold the last value 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. So guys, here y is equal to 50 minus y holds 30 value. So guys, 50 minus 30 is equal to 20, and then guys control move to the next statement and read x is equal to x minus y here. So guys, here x holds 50 value. So x holds 50 value. So 50 minus y hold 20 value. So last value of y is 20. So 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So guys, here you can see that now the value of x become 30 and value of y become 20 here. So that is swapping. So guys, I hope this small video will really help you.